What's up guys, in today's video we'll be making 2 ingredients chocolate fudge. Yes, you heard it right, only 2 ingredients and surprisingly delicious and easy to make fudge that you can make right at home with ingredients you may already have. Place a medium-sized pot on your stove and fill it partway with water. We only need the water to boil, so put the heat to high. While the water is heating up, we will prepare our ingredients in the glass mixing bowl. Let's start by placing 2.5 cups of chocolate chips. We use semi-sweet and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk 15 ounces. Mix both of those ingredients completely. Once the water has reached boiling temperature, we will place the glass bowl with our mixed ingredients on top of the pot. Mix constantly to fulfill and incorporate the chocolate and condensed milk. After the ingredients have fully combined, remove the mixing bowl from the heat. Be careful not to burn yourself and place it aside. At this point, we can place the chocolate in a mold. Choose whatever form you want, but remember to line the container with parchment paper so that the fudge doesn't adhere to the sides. With all that out of the way, place the fudge inside your fridge and let it cool for 4 hours at least. You can even get back to it tomorrow, the fudge won't care. Now with our fudge cooled and solidified, we can remove it from its mold. As long as you line the container, it should come right out and be ready for slicing. Cut your fudge into whatever shape you're into. We went with squares and tidied it up by cutting any excess of the edges so the shape is even. At this point, you're all done and you achieved the goal of making 2 ingredients delicious chocolate fudge without even stepping foot in the candy store. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching!